Yeah. Well, we've beat that topic into the ground. I had something else, but I'm just going to leave it at that. And I've been trying to I'm trying to get I'm trying to get upbeat shit.
Well, let's do some upbeat. Let's do upbeat shit for a second. Let's try it.
Well, the next thing I was going to talk about is the fucking Ravens. Are you a Ravens fan? But we got blown out, dude. So now it's like,
dude,
this is just going to be another shit podcast. It's going to be another Debbie Downer.
Here's the thing. I can't let that happen.
We got handled, dude.
No. Okay. Yes, we did get handled. Nice.
We got handled.
Yes. Okay. Sidebar. You've had sound effects this whole fucking time.
Well, I was trying to press them before.
Oh